After rising over 1,300% over the last couple of years and becoming everyone's favorite tech stock in the process, NVIDIA has now run out of steam, falling by over 30% since the peak of $153 in January. Currently trading at $111, NVIDIA looks cheap when compared to its all-time high of 153. But the big question for investors is, has NVIDIA stopped falling and is now the best time to pick up this tech stock? In this video, I'm going to answer this question by analysing NVIDIA's chart data and offer a price analysis for 2025. NVIDIA is clearly in a strong position as a company. There's no shortage for demand for its AI chips, and it's grown at an incredible pace since being conceived in a Denny's booth over breakfast in 1993. It's also been an incredible stock. Shares rose over 200% in 2024 and over 363% in 2023, as it raced towards a market capitalization that at times exceeded $3 trillion. Its recent pullback has been in line with the other Magnificent Seven stocks, suggesting that there's nothing fundamentally wrong with NVIDIA's business. And it's reasonable to conclude that the recent price drop is simply the wider sector having a breather after an incredible two-year bull run. The demand for NVIDIA's chips is still red hot, so this could be a great opportunity to pick up NVIDIA on the recent pullback. The question is, when does a pullback become a correction? And when does a correction become a bear market? Let's take a look at the chart to see where NVIDIA is compared to its recent key price levels. Looking at the weekly chart, we can immediately see NVIDIA was in a confirmed uptrend, which began from the low of $10.81 in October 2022. By applying a simple trend line, you could have easily held this stock for over 2 years, using the line as your visual boundary, gaining a 363% return in the first year, and then another 208% in the second year. And looking at the monthly chart, this simple trend line would have helped you exit your position during February this year, after January's bar closed low, under the trend line at $120. A trailing stop loss placed at the 126 low here would have helped you hold on to more of your profits before NVIDIA gapped down to $116 at the end of January. So hopefully, if you were holding NVIDIA over the last 2 years, you made a decent profit on the move. And for those of you watching who perhaps missed this big move, you now may be wondering if now is the right time to buy NVIDIA. Since the peak in January, price has fallen by around 30%, which technically is a correction rather than a pullback. It's not clear yet if the low of $104 will be the turning point, or if the price will fall further to the support level of $100. Right now, based on the chart, it looks like NVIDIA will fall further, so caution is advised. And if that $100 level is broken, the next possible support level is $90, indicated by the price trough back in August 2024. On the monthly chart, it's clear the 2-year uptrend is over, with the March bar about to close low. With the 2-year uptrend broken, NVIDIA may be heading back to find support on the 10-year trend line. And if we look closely at this long-term trend line, we can see that NVIDIA pulled back 58% from the high in October 2018 and around 65% from the high in November 2021. Therefore, if NVIDIA stays true to form, price could be heading back down to $50, which corresponds to the peak in August 2023 and is close to the trendline support. Alternatively, NVIDIA could find support at current levels of around $100 and take off once again. NVIDIA's business is strong, but based on the current chart, the risk is towards the downside, and investors should be cautious and wait for NVIDIA to confirm it's moving back up. March will certainly close low, so now we must wait for April's price action to show us if the price will continue to fall or if there'll be enough buying support to cause a price reversal. If you've enjoyed my analysis of NVIDIA, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. And if you're new to trading stocks, I've created a free 10-step guide that'll help you avoid all the common mistakes new traders make. Now, this guide is one I wish I had access to when I first started out and will speed up your journey to becoming a profitable trader. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.